How to add or remove, reduce transparency in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on the Add button at the top corner. Then we go down and tap on Add a control. Next, in the control list, we scroll down to the bottom. Now in here, go to Vision, Accessibility, and then we tap on Reduce Transparency. Just tap on that, and the shortcut will be added to the control center. After that, you can swipe up and then swipe up again to return back to the home screen. Now to access the shortcut, just pull down the control center, then tap on Reduce Transparency to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. To remove the widget from the control center, just tap on the Add button. That will take you into an edit mode. From here, you can tap on the Remove button at the top corner on the left to remove the widget. And then after that, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.